Howdy, y'all. Miss Otis here. It's Thursday, February the 4th of 2021. What are we learning in science today? We will understand the pattern of the moon phases. We've been working on these moon phases for a few weeks now. This is our last week to look at these beautiful shapes in the night sky. How will we study them today? We will watch a video to illustrate, color, and label all of the different moon phases in the lunar cycle. Listen to that word one more time. Cycle. Is that a triangle? Or what shape is a cycle? Yeah, you remember. Great. A circle. We've got to fill in the whole cycle of moon phases today. We're not just coloring them. We are also labeling their names on all of the moon phases. Can we do it? You betcha we can. We have a video first, then we'll get started. Why are we doing this today? We will understand the pattern of the moon phases. Remember, that circle goes around and around and around and around and around. It's a pattern. You can predict what's coming next. Our job is we've got to understand that pattern and know what the phase is and what's coming next. Are you ready to get started? Okay. Here you see our anchor chart, or the lunar cycle. We have been studying this cycle for many days. I'm going to start here in the dark new moon. Say that phase with me. New moon. Nice job. The new moon is all dark. Did it disappear? No, calm down. It's just hiding in the shadow. But once we leave the new moon, we're going to go down around the cycle this way. We're going to start growing or waxing. Say that word with me. Waxing. Wonderful. Waxing or growing around this side of the cycle. It's all dark. We're going to start growing to this little skinny banana of light. It's on our right side, and its name is waxing, growing, crescent. Say that word with me. Crescent. Nice job. Like those delicious crescent rolls, or like a banana. Now we've grown a little banana, waxing crescent. We're going to keep on waxing. Around the cycle we go. Our banana grew into a half moon, or its name is the first grade quarter. Say that with me. First quarter. Wonderful. First grade. And the quarter with George Washington. We know those words. First quarter is the half moon. The half bright side is on the right. We keep going around the lunar cycle until we're growing more past the halfway mark. And now we have that swollen belly, like a ho-ho-ho Santa Claus belly. It's not all the way full, but it's bigger than the half. Waxing, 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 waxing until the most beautiful crater, bright circle in the sky. We call it the, what's that word? Full moon. Bravo. Say it one more time. Full moon. Excellent. The full moon is all lit up, all illuminated in the sky. Now we've done this whole side of the cycle was growing. We're not growing anymore. We grew all the way to the full moon. Now, what do? We're going to start shrinking. Another word for shrinking is waning. Say that word with me. Waning. Wonderful. Waning or shrinking all the moons on this side of the lunar cycle are going to be getting smaller and smaller each night. After the full moon, we start shrinking. We've only shrunk a little bit. We've waning gibbous. You still see a full swollen belly, just shrunk a little bit. So gibbous, say that with me, gibbous. Wonderful, shrinking gibbous. We had the swollen belly, we keep shrinking down to half moon or last quarter. Say it with me, last quarter. Wonderful. After the last quarter, our half moon, we're still shrinking down to waning crescents. Say it with me, waning crescent. Wonderful. Now the waning, shrinking crescent. We still have the banana moon just like we had down here, but it's not growing now. Shrinking until poof, it disappeared. No, it is hiding in the shadow. And when it's all dark, we call it the not old new moon. Wonderful. We shrunk and we waned all the moons on this side until we were in darkness. You can see across from the pattern, we have a banana that's shrinking, a banana that's growing, a half moon, another half moon, to a gibbous belly, over across to another shrinking belly. Across the cycle, you find the opposite phase moon. Now we've reviewed our anchor chart. It will stay here to help you with your work today. But I want you to go watch these lunar cycles in motion. You have another video right, ta-da, here, video 2, so you can see those moon phases, waxing and waning, waxing and waning. Once you have finished watching the moon phases change in video 2, then you'll be ready to go on to video 3 and start your Google Classroom assignment. Take one more look. When you leave this video, you'll come here for video 2. Then you're on to video 3, teacher activity. Nice job, my moon monsters. Take your time to get your lunar cycle labeled correctly, and I'll see you tomorrow for the test. Bye!